Hey, I'm Troubleshoot. Let's talk about how to get the Cure All token. All you need to do is head across to the previous spot, the Snapfire secret recipe, and you'll see that we need to collect different items. Let's go ahead and do that. First of all, in order to find a cactus flower, simply head back to the map and look for these nearby cactuses here. Simply click these purple flowers until one of them doesn't actually explode. So, there we go. We found one. Let's go ahead and hand this in as such. There we go. And now we need to find demon blood. Where do we find demon blood on the map? Well, it's simple. Simply zoom out, head all the way up to the north side, all the way over here, where you find these demons in the ground. Just click around until you find exactly what you're looking for. There we go. I clicked the big one and it worked. Now that we have the demon blood, let's go ahead and hand it in as such. And now we need to find the Puffball Mushroom. Cool. In order to find the Puffball Mushroom, simply look just down to the southwest of Snapfire's secret recipe, and you'll see it pop out of the ground probably once in a while. Let's see, closing this, it's somewhere here. There we go. We'll click it, and there we go. We've grabbed it. So you just need to wait around for it to show. It seems to show itself and hide itself every few seconds. Anyways, there we go. Let's hand this in, and finally we need to find a Firebug Thorax. Where do we find this? We need to zoom out, head all the way across to the east over here where this cavern is, except you'll need to see inside of it. So you'll need to click a point nearby here somewhere to travel across to it, and once you have, you'll see inside, look for this little bug over here. We need to mouse over it, but you'll see that the faster you move your mouse towards it, the faster it seems to move away. What you need to do is move your mouse very slowly towards this and click at it as soon as we get on top of it. There we go. Just like that, you'll have the Firebug Thorax. There we go. Now that we have this, let's go ahead and hand it in. We'll head all the way back to the Snapfire secret recipe, give ingredient, and there we go. Sweet. We got the Cure All potion. Now we can leave and use it to continue progressing along towards the finish line. Anyways, that's really it. Hopefully this guide helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.